React Admin applications can aggregate data from multiple data sources into one unified user interface. Let's see that with an example. I have a list of posters here. The data comes from a GraphQL API exposed on port 3001. And the code for this application is a regular React Admin application. The data provider is built at runtime in a useEffect because the data provider has an initialization phase. That's a GraphQL data provider, so it's asynchronous. And I would like to add to this application data from a second API that runs on port 3002 on localhost. It's a customers API, and I would like to have the list of customers available in this menu. So I need to combine a GraphQL data provider and a REST data provider. I'm going to do that using something called combine data providers. So here I'm importing the JSON server data provider, implementing a second data provider on port 3002, and then I create a third data provider by combining the two using a function that will choose the data provider to return based on the resource. And now in my application, I can add new resources for customers and orders. And when I click on customers, now I can see the data from this REST API, same for the orders. So in one application, I have data from two different APIs. Even better, if I go to the detail of an order, I can see that I have a list of products here, and the orders only have the ID of the related product. The product name comes from the product API. This means that this page aggregates data from two different APIs, one in REST for the orders and the customers, and the third in GraphQL for the product names. So that's it for today. Combine data provider is a great utility to get data from two data sources. It takes a function as a parameter and must return a data provider. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.